Alright, I just got done putting all the floor and everything in these two rooms, and now I got a big box of screws yesterday on the way home and got the saw on the impact here. And the outside door here where it comes in, I'm going to put a wall in right here, like an L-shaped wall, just for a little entry mudroom, you know, place to kick your boots and coats and stuff. So I got a whole stack of 2x4s outside. Then the other thing is going to be in this room, and I'll show you. I'm going to make bed. I'm going to put a divider wall into the room behind this wall here. Put a divider in there so we can have boys and a girls room in the one big room here. Put a door in the one side. There's a little bathroom in the back corner. So I'm going to put the divider wall in there, and then I'm going to make the beds right off of there, and then the other side's going to have a bunk bed in it right off the wall. And then once I have it all framed in with 2x4s, I'll finally put the, you know, the drywall or whatever I end up using there. So it's all going to be in there. The beds are going to flip up that I have storage underneath them, and that way, you know, we can use it as a chest or whatever when no one's in the bed. So let's get started. Alright, I'm going to start by putting a divider wall right in here with a door, you know, right here. There's a little bathroom right there, so that'll work. Alright, so that receptacle there is going to be a little bit of a problem with my wall. On the other side here, I'd really like to have a receptacle in my mudroom here, and my mudroom's going to start, look, if right there, and that receptacle is going to be on the back side of the wall. So maybe I can turn that receptacle around and put it in my mudroom. Being we don't need it over here. I mean, we got 1, 2, 3 in that room, and 1, 2, 3 in this room. Power's still on. We will turn them out and then pull this out a little bit, just enough to, don't try this at home, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, they don't let you even get to them. But you see how simple that is? If I patch this hole, which I'm going to cover it pretty much, and I throw this inside here, make a hole exactly like that on the other side, and feed it through there, I'll just turn this thing around and bring it in on the other side of the wall where I need a receptacle. I didn't even think of that until now, and I'll be happy to have a receptacle over there, because I won't have a power in there. And that'll give us an option to run a light in there. I'm just going to put a little, probably 24-inch door, 2-foot door in here. Alright, got those two. Get straight just so I can see what that looks like. Alright, that's not the recommended way to make a step ladder, but it's also not the recommended way to make a wall, but it's my house, I can do whatever I want, right? Box of screws. These screws come with a bit in the box. That ain't going nowhere. Good deal. There's actually some wood on these trailer houses. 93 and 5. Right on. In here. Alright, so the first of the girls' bedroom here, which is over here, is going to have the first bed, you know, you have the window here, so that it's going to be like a bunk bed right here with the window kind of inside the bunk bed or whatever. It's just like if there was a wall here and you'd set a bunk bed here is what I'm going to build pretty much. I'm just going to build it right off my wall. We're going to use our windowsill to determine how high to go, because there's going to be storage underneath the mattress of this bed. Now, I need to figure out what my measurement is for the next bunk. It's going to be about 1.5 feet down here with the mattress, and then the rest will be a railing. Alright, so now that's all done. I gotta decide where I want to put a ladder and stuff, but I'm going to start on this other, the little room over here. I need to put a bed about the height, a little higher than that other bed out coming this way for this other room here, so. But anyway, we're gonna go over into the living room area and make my mudroom corner. I got some of that started this morning here. It is the next day, so. Well, as you can see, I got a whole mess of drywall, so that's what's going on the wall. I started already, so, and then I actually started in here too, so now you can see how that bed is kind of supposed to work. Close the wall up all the way up through, and then there's a bed out here with storage underneath there, which that's all going to get closed off with like 1-bys or something to make little pockets in there. So, and the other side here is the bunk bed. I put the one piece in the center there, so now you can kind of see that idea as well. One nice thing about drywall, cut it with a utility knife. Right on. Alright, that does that. Well, I kind of ran out of supplies for finishing the drywall and everything for the day, and I'm about done for the day, so I'm just trying to find the little things to do. I have some of these floor strips to put them on, and I found out I can cut these aluminum ones with a good tin snip, so that's nice. I was using a grinder for the steel ones, but I need to bring the little brad nailer in here and shoot some of these things back open.